I remember bits and pieces. I do remember merging onto the highway with my friends. The very next thing I remember is waking up on the ground. Coming to, maybe a couple seconds. I remember seeing the light, the red light on the helicopter. The very next thing I remember after that is waking up in the hospital 2 weeks later. My injuries were pretty significant. In total, I needed 274 units of blood to save my life. Because of everything that the HCA surgeons and nurses did for me, flight medics, EMS, I am so grateful for that, and it helps me strive forward because of what they did. I have to match your energy, you know? I have to be there for me just like you guys were there for me.